In today's video, we will show you how to modify and close trades on TradeLocker. Once you log in, directly navigate to the Trade panel. Here in the Positions tab, you will see all the open trades. In the Pending tab, you will see all the active pending orders. Let's modify an open position first. Simply right-click on the respective trade and click on Edit Position. Alternatively, you can go to the extreme right where you'll see the Edit Position button next to each trade. You can also just click on the trade itself and the chart along with the order panel will update for that particular trade. In the order panel, click on the respective stop loss or take profit checkbox, whichever you want to set. You can set it directly from the order panel or navigate to the chart and drag and drop the draft stop loss line. Once everything is set, click Confirm, and that's it, the trade has been modified. Similarly, you can modify a pending order. Just click on the trade you want to modify. You can adjust the order price from the chart or from the order panel as well. And you can also set stop loss, take profit, or adjust the lot size if needed. Confirm the changes and the pending order will be modified. Now let's see how to close or partially close trades. To partially cancel a pending order, simply click on the order again and adjust the lot size in the order panel. For example, if I decrease the lot size to 0.02 lots, that will cancel the remaining 0.03 lot order for this trade. To cancel the entire order, just click the cross icon next to it, or cancel it directly from the chart. For partially closing open market positions, right-click on the trade and click on Partial Close Position. Enter the lot size you want to close, click Close, and that's it. The trade has been partially closed. You can also use the Partial Close icon. To close a position completely, simply click the cross icon at the end. For an easy way out, just click on Close All. Here you can close multiple or all positions at once with a single click. You will see multiple options. For example, you can close only the negative positions and keep the profitable ones running, close only the profitable positions, or close all open positions, as well as all active pending orders at once. And that's it. Modifying and closing trades on TradeLocker is that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.